In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom field in Zoho Invoice. Navigating the customization of your invoice fields can be a powerful way to tailor your invoicing process to better fit your business needs. Let's jump into the steps and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to start by accessing the settings in Zoho Invoice. You can do this by locating the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. The settings area is your main hub for controlling all facets of your invoicing setup. Once you're in the settings, you should select Invoices from the Sales menu on the left-hand side. This section is dedicated to all things related to your invoices, allowing for a degree of customization that can help you manage your sales transactions with greater ease. After you've clicked on Invoices, turn your attention to the top of the page where you will see several tabs. You'll want to click on the Field Customization tab. This is the place where you can manage all existing fields and, most importantly, add new ones tailored specifically to your needs. Field customization is valuable because it lets you shape the data you collect on each invoice, ensuring you have all the necessary information for your records. Now, to add a new field, look for the plus New Custom Field button. It's typically prominent and easy to spot. Once you click it, you will be prompted to enter details about the new field you want to create. Start by entering a label name for your field. This name is crucial as it identifies what the field is for, so choose something descriptive that will make sense not only to you but to anyone else who might be working with these invoices. Next, you'll need to choose the data type for your new field. Zoho Invoice offers several options like text, number, date, or dropdown, among others. Selecting the appropriate data type ensures that the field collects the right kind of information and maintains data integrity. Think carefully here, as this choice impacts how you and others will input data. You also have the option to make this new field mandatory, meaning it must be filled out for the invoice to be saved. Additionally, you can decide whether you want this field to appear on all PDFs generated from the invoices. This could be useful if the information is vital for your clients or for bookkeeping records. Finally, once you have filled in all the necessary information, double-check your entries. When you're satisfied, click the Save button to create the new custom field. After saving, your new field will be ready to use, helping you enhance your invoicing process and meet your unique business requirements. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can efficiently make Zoho Invoice work better for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment.